In this course, you will practically learn the concepts of various wireless communication technologies, like Bluetooth, DTMF, GSM, RF, and Wi-Fi, by building projects, and develop the skills needed for an exciting career in wireless communication technology. The course helps students develop enough experience to apply for jobs or higher studies in wireless communication technology with confidence. The course involves you to build multiple wireless communication-based projects, from basics to advanced, and helps you develop a good understanding of wireless communication practically. First, you will start by developing a mobile robotics project that uses DTMF communication technology to get instructions from a user's mobile phone and moves accordingly. Then, you will build a voice-controlled robot that uses Bluetooth communication technology to receive instructions from a user's voice commands and moves accordingly. You will also learn to develop an Android app using MIT App Inventor as part of this project. Next, you will build a Wi-Fi controlled robot that uses Wi-Fi communication technology to receive instructions from a user's computer web page and moves accordingly. You will also learn to design a simple web page to control the movements of the robot. Then, you will learn about swarm intelligence and develop a swarm robotics project. In this project, the slave robot follows the master robot real-time and mimics the movement through RF communication. Next, you will design and build a smart energy metering device that uses GSM communication technology to send energy consumption updates real-time to a remote user via SMS. As part of the course, you will also learn to write programs on Arduino IDE to make these wireless communication projects function efficiently. Building all these projects will help you master the concepts involved in wireless communication, microcontrollers, GPS systems, and programming, and will put you in a great position to start a career. The course is based on Skyfi Labs, learn, do, review methodology, which ensures that you learn the technical concepts, in addition to building the projects. A topic like wireless communication can only be learned by building projects, and Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Kits required will be shipped to your doorstep within 24 hours. And you can complete the project from anywhere on Earth and build your profile with Smart certification. Using Skyfi Labs courses, you will not only build projects with a definite output, but also learn the concepts involved in it. So you can attend and crack interviews with confidence. Start learning today and develop your profile for a great career in wireless communication.